So there's a saggy spot in here when it rained. So I had to build this little contraption to hold it up. Basically it's some 1x2s nailed to the sides of this bed with some, had to put some nailers on there for it. And then a noodle. I split a noodle and wrapped it around the top of it so it wouldn't tear the shade cloth. Hopefully that works, but it rained last night, or it was like, I guess it was it rained pretty wet in here. What was happening, it was tearing up these plants that were right underneath. It was sagging right here, and then a lot of water. You can see there's kind of like a depression there where the water was dripping, and the dirt was splashing all over these plants. So that's not good. You don't want dirt splashing up, because there's pathogens and all kinds of creatures that'll wreck your plants. So anyway, that worked. All put together with some rust-proof screws. So it improved the shade cloth a little bit.